Excellency, the Governor of Nairobi City County, Your Excellency Governor Sakaja, members of Cabinet here present, the Chief Officers, the Chair of the Public Service Board, the members of the County Assembly who are here with us, the graduating team there that have shown us very, very fantastic and some heart-warming drills that we haven't seen before. The parents and the families of the graduates and everybody who's invited here. This is a very good afternoon for us as we witness another graduation of very well trained and qualified firemen and women who are ready to serve in this county and beyond. I want to appreciate you very much for the work you have done to get to the point you have been, and to appreciate your trainers for ensuring that you have gotten to the very high standards of training that you have achieved. I also want to acknowledge your families because of the kind of work you do. It requires that you are away from your families most of the time. You are either out at the station or you're out at the fire outlet where you're fighting out the fires, and therefore you need very good support from the family to be able to deliver on the mandate that you have. We thank you very much for the commitment. We thank you very much for the support and understanding. And we are here, as you have heard from the previous speakers, to ensure that we support you and make you successful in the things that you do to make this fire department the success it has become. I want to also acknowledge the chief officer in that sector for the very good leadership he has provided, and also to echo the sentiments that have been given by the previous speakers on the support that we have consistently gotten from His Excellency the Governor. And I recall, and on specifically the subject of PPEs, when we came to office, the first thing that they showed us was whatever, actually showed me, I saw it, it's whatever they were using as PPEs, and I think those were like the stuff they use in hospitals and stuff like that. And they said, we need this in place. It's very gratifying to see them here wearing that brand new, top of the world class PPEs, and with the promise of ensuring that they get more and other equipment to be able to deliver on their mandate. So we thank you very much, Your Excellency, for that support. We also want to, and I want to also to assure you, Your Excellency, of my own personal support in ensuring that these initiatives are successful. Because when they're successful, you are successful, and it's very clear that if you are successful, I cannot be a failure. So, of course, we want to make sure that you succeed, that your things that you're driving forward, go forward, we successfully support them. And I want to ask everybody around, whether you're in the county government, whether you're in other parts of this county, that you're delivering service to the people, to ensure that we support all the programs that the governor has put in place for us, ensuring that they are successful, because success belongs to all of us, and success is what will change this Nairobi very significantly and fundamentally. I want at this point, and with those few remarks, therefore, to ask you to be upstanding as we welcome His Excellency, the Governor of Nairobi City County, His Excellency Governor Sakaja, to come and address us. Your Excellency.